We are about to do 5 minutes on creating an entire week of content. So brace yourself, it's gonna move quickly. Hey, I'm Chloe. I'm one of the co-founders of Vibe Check. We are a social society all about sorting out your social media so you can get back to building your business. Without further ado, let's get started. We use a combination of Canva and our template. I'm gonna put the link below so you can grab it if you want it, but let's do it. I am a visual person, which means I like to start with a visual image rather than a caption. But if you're more of like a text person, then you can start with more of a text base. This is also the content calendar that comes along with the template. And so you can see here, this also has numbers that match off to our Canva template. And it's got all of these different captions that we can see here and drop downs, all of these different pillars that you can see here that you can create content about, and all of these prompts if you're struggling to come up with ideas to make your content about, done for you. So if I jump into all my designs, I can see here I have got tons of stuff, and we use just templates. We have exactly the same text every time, exactly the same colors, so it always looks like nice and cohesive together. So a video based, and then you could do an image based, and then you could do a text based if you wanted. Whatever works for your style of business, just make it repetitive, and this is such a key. So I've got all these images already uploaded. This is actually an ad that we shot, so that's perfect. This is another ad that I shot for YSL, which is perfect. You can see here in our text space, we might also use more infographics rather than just text. That's 7 days, my friend. Right now I'm gonna pick my pillars. So I can see right here, this is an ad that we shot. We can even make that into an education. So we can make that into teach. We can make that into teach because it's an ad that we shot. I'm gonna choose debunk myths. The reason I'm gonna do this is because like when we're doing photography stuff and content creation at home, that's a good way to debunk myths, because I think people often feel if they're doing content creation, that sort of thing, you need to get it professionally done. So we love to dispel that myth. So myth alert, I'm gonna select. Now I'm gonna copy and paste that. So that's kind of my inspo. You can't create amazing at home. Next thing we're going to look at is Inspo, dream, plan, do. So the journey to start making the Insta feed of your Pinterest dreams. Pinterest dreams. Perfect. Done. Smashed it. Intro. So we're going to talk a little bit about us, why I started the business. Okay, great. You know that one thing that you're passionate about? For me, it was social media. So for us, it was social media because there's 2 of us, which is why we're just gonna switch out our eyes. We started Vibe Check. We were, make sure you change your tenses, obsess, doing home photo shoots. Two years became Vibe Check. All right, we're actually gonna get rid of this sentence because I don't think we need it. And I'm just gonna say, I wanna know what your passion is, which is a perfect way to open up questions in the comments. Moving along, before and after. I like it, I worked for it. Inspo, goal results. Okay, copy and paste. I want you to never have to worry about your socials again, and that's why we developed the Vibe Check content calendar. We're gonna come back and spell check later. So you can see how you can kind of adapt it, right? It doesn't need to be the exact caption, it just is like the starting point. I'm answering all questions, content creation. Benefits of using the Vibe Check content calendar. We promise you all of these free benefits are coming your way. All you need to do is head to our bio customer feedback one because that's kind of fun. I'll comment all your thoughts and requests below. Done. It was fast, if not bumpy, a ride, but I'm excited that you stuck with us and I'm excited that you can start doing this. I'm leaving the link for this content calendar below. We've also got a free version if you just want to get your hands a little bit dirty and see what's going on. Let's get on it. Let's get our social medias, there's multiple, sorted. I'm Chloe, I'm co-founder of Vibe Check Society. Feel free to send us a DM, send us an email, hit us up in whatever means feels most comfortable to you. And make sure you like and subscribe below if you got any value of this, and feel free to put any requests for any videos below.